You have an excavator in front of you, and today you're going to work with UNI-Machine from marXact and Nijhuis Engineering. This 3D GPS machine control system helps you work more easy, smart and precise. We are happy to set up the system for you, but you can also easily do it yourself. Let's walk through it step by step. In the box, you'll find everything you need: robust sensors, UNI receivers, a control box, cables and a tablet. It's time to mount everything in the right places. Let's start with the sensors. Place them on each moving part of the machine. They continuously measure the angles and movements of the machine. Thanks to the strong attachment and robust sensors, everything stays in place, even during heavy work. Next, the wiring. Run the cables along the arm of the machine and connect them to the correct ports. Be sure to tidy up the cables and protect them from wear. Then place the control box in a conveniently accessible spot. This is the heart of the system, where all data comes together. Check that all cables are securely attached and the ports are closed. Outside, mount the centimeter-accurate UNI GR2 receivers on the provided poles, ensuring optimal satellite reception. Inside the cabin, mount the holder and attach the tablet. This can be used not only in the cabin with UNI-Machine, but also on the measuring pole with UNI Collect. Now it's time to calibrate. First, set the machine dimensions correctly. You do this by entering the measured lengths of the boom parts. Next, it's time to calibrate the sensors. In this step, you determine and set the correct angle values so that all angle measurements will be accurate. This ensures the system knows exactly how the machine is built and moves. Do you have a tilt rotator? No problem. This system can use this perfectly, allowing you to work at any angle. Everything is now set up. Check the connections, start the system, and verify that everything works. You're good to go with UNI-Machine from marXact and Nijhuis Engineering.